Welcome to 6310 Oak Street Unit 205 in beautiful Arvada, Colorado. This inviting 2-bedroom 2-bath condo is a perfect blend of comfort, modern updates, and convenient location. Let's take a tour. The kitchen is thoughtfully designed with a galley-style layout, offering plenty of cabinetry and counter space. Sleek newer stainless steel appliances, including a stove, oven, and refrigerator, add a modern touch, while the breakfast bar overlooking the living area makes it easy to stay connected while cooking or entertaining. Stepping into the living room, you can immediately feel the warmth of this light-filled living space. The room is open, bright and airy with natural sunlight streaming through the sliding glass doors. A ceiling fan and overhead lighting create a cozy atmosphere, making this room perfect for relaxing evenings or entertaining guests. Adjacent to the living room is the dining area, a generously sized space that easily accommodates a dining table and chairs. The open layout connects seamlessly to the kitchen. The second bedroom is spacious with tall ceilings, a large window that lets in natural light, and a good-sized reach-in closet. This room is perfect for a guest room, home office, or personal retreat. Down the hall, you will find the main full-size bathroom complete with a sink vanity offering plenty of counter and cabinet space, plus a linen closet for extra storage. The primary suite is a standout feature of this condo. It's oversized and filled with natural light from multiple windows. The en-suite bathroom offers an oversized sink vanity with ample counter space, drawers, and cabinets. A garden-sized oval tub and shower provide the perfect place to relax, and a small window lets in soft natural light. Adjacent to the bathroom, the large walk-in closet with built-in shelving and hanging space ensures you'll never run out of storage. Down the hall, the laundry nook is conveniently tucked away and ready for full-size washer and dryer hookups. Just beyond the living room, you'll find a private deck, ideal for morning coffee or unwinding with a book, with enough space for a small bistro set. This unit comes with a dedicated parking spot. Just minutes from Old Towne Arvada and the light trail, this home offers easy access to shopping, dining, and commuting, while providing a quiet and comfortable retreat. If you're looking for a move-in-ready condo with modern updates, a functional layout and easy access to everything Arvada has to offer, this lovely unit could be your next home. Don't wait, schedule your showing today.